All right, boys and girls, this is AJ, and I'm doing a little bit of education here because we are going to be getting into your website stuff. So our next class is going to be called Creating a Total Web Presence. So for those that do not have a website or in the process of building a website or updating it, this is just a little bit of the hosting solution I use. And again, WordPress is the one I like to guide people towards, especially for the small business that wants control of the website, doesn't want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. And if you have a little time to invest in it, you can set up a pretty decent website without doing a whole lot of extra. Now, this is strictly again, going to be me just making some recommendations here. So if you want information on any of this, let me know. I'll be happy to share a link. I have some affiliate relationships with some of these companies, so I can make a couple dollars here. But again, I don't care if you use whatever. I'm just sharing the one that I've had the best luck with. Again, I haven't been usually using that affiliate relationship. I did a couple times in the beginning, but I think it helps me be more objective if I just give you a suggestion without getting paid for it. That way you know that I'm not making money off your decision and I'm giving you the best advice I can. Now again, this is the one I've gotten comfortable with, so it's the one I recommend. This is Bluehost. So if you go to bluehost.com or search Bluehost web hosting, this is what it's going to look like once you set up an account. So one of the things you can do when you get to Bluehost, if you're looking for a domain name, now the domain name is that www.whatever-your-name-is.com, and if you're looking for one, see, you can go in here, you search. So let's just say, let's have something fun. Let's say, what's my name.com, and we'll search it. So you go in, you do a little search. You see it's working up here, bada boom, bada bing. It's available for registration as a premium domain, but it's not available with the regular .com. So a regular domain is like 12 bucks. So let's not use that one. Let's search again. Name my kids. Let's see if that one's available. You see it working again, and what it's doing is, congratulations, that domain is available. So again, you can see here, you can click all these ones. If you can find a .com, go for it. There's .info, .biz, .org, .net. .com is one I would pick. I would not get any of these other premium domain name stuff unless you've got somebody that's extremely smart in web stuff and they're telling you what the reasons are behind this. So to me, that it makes no sense. Unless your website is making you money, and again, I think for the majority of the clients I'm working with here, and most of you, the website is just basically your fancy brochure. You do need a web presence of some sort to make sure that you're easy to find, you're in control of the messages out there, and again, it's the hub of everything you're going to do online. So you would buy this domain name. So I'm not going to buy this because I don't want that. And after you buy it, you're going to get logged in to your cPanel here. And again, if you ever get stuck with this, I'm happy to help you out with this. So let's get rid of that. So what you do after you get that is you're going to go down here, and for these site builders, we're looking for site builders. We're going to install the WordPress one. Click on the WordPress. It's going to take you to the next page, and they're going to go down here, install. You get to pick which ones you install. So if I'm going to install a brand new version, click that. It's going to go here and it's going to tell me where would I like it. Now I've got a couple different account domains here. So you'd go in, you'd pick the one you wanted. The one I recently did, again for that pet project of mine, I just did ajperisho.com. So again, after I pick that, I'm going to click the little box. I've read the terms and conditions, blah, 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 blah. Unless you want some of this stuff right here, I would uncheck all these. Because depending on your theme that you end up using, you'll probably get it. And again, I'm going to recommend a paid version of WordPress. You don't have to spend that much money. A year of hosting is probably about, I think, just under $90 here. You're going to pay $12 a year to have your domain name. So for, say, right around 100 bucks, you've got your web hosting, your domain name for the entire year. And that's what you'll spend each year hosting it and having that name. So then I would click on the complete. It's going to go in and load it, and it's going to all of a sudden give you your screen name and all that good stuff. So eventually when you get your screen name and stuff, I'm going to use mine as our demo here. you're going to get something like this. So it'd be ajperisho.com/WP-login stuff. And you will click right to this from your Bluehost account. And they'll save the information they give you. Your generic username is always going to be admin for the person that's in charge of it. And then they'll either they'll generate a password for you at first when you first get in there, and you can always go in and change that. So again, then I'm just going to log in. And again, this is going to be your back office for WordPress. So that's the basic setup here. I'm going to go ahead and stop here just so I don't overload you with information. I will create some more videos over the next couple of days to show you what I would refer to as that next step. So, talk to you soon. I hope you got a little bit of information from this piece. And again, if you're stuck on any of this, let me know. I'd be glad to help you.